Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to scan documents and save as PDF on iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to click here on the notes and you have to open the notes. And once when you're here, you can click on this to form a new note. And then you have to click on this attachment icon and then click on scan documents. So I'm going to scan this. Let's get some light here. Let me just retake it again. So here you go. Uh, we can make some adjustments right here. Okay, this looks good. And we can click on keep scan. So here you go. That was as easy as it is. The iPhone has scanned this document and saved it already as a PDF. You can put some filters if you want, or you can retake if you want. And this is it. You can also, keep it manual or auto depending on your need. And when you click here, save, it is going to be saved in your phone as a PDF document. So what you can do is you can also send this PDF document by clicking on it, or you can click the icon above here, share. When you click share, you can share this with anyone you want, and you can also print it. You can also email it, and after emailing it to someone, you can also email it to yourself and save it again as a PDF copy. That's completely up to you. So that was as easy as it is. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.